In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to access your keyboard and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then hit Got it and tap on Theme. Now, by tapping on Show More at the bottom right corners, you can see all available ones. After selecting the best one for you, by clicking on it, manage key borders thanks to this switcher. When you finished, hit Apply and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same theme settings. But this time, tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!